Okay, guys, so here I have my 7.4 volt 2 cell lipo. It's 5,300 milliamp that I ordered with a low voltage detection alarm. And so it finally came in the mail. I ordered it probably around 25 days ago. So not bad, but I ordered it from across the world, from Netherlands or something like that. Far away. So for 25 days, not bad. And it shipped probably 15 days ago. So it took them longer to ship it overseas than it took for it to come here. So here it is. Package is pretty messed up. Look at this dings. I was expecting for it to come in some safety box type thing, where I would see people have them come in with a bunch of big air bubble bags protecting it. This one just came just like this, and it's not heavy, no, but I think I'm ready to open this thing up. I don't know how I can do this with one hand. That works. Anything else on the other side? Alright. So here it is. One air bubble bag. Battery is pretty heavy. Take this off real quick. Fill air. Okay, cool. Here's my alarm. There it is. Awesome. Low voltage. Let me get the light out of the way. Here, I'll just show you when I take it out. Pretty cool. Some scissors. Kind of hard doing this one-handed. GoPro's pretty cool. I mean, it records a lot of stuff. The angle is nice. Alright, so here it is. Just like it would be showed in pictures. It's a little fat. That's probably fine. It's like a foam thing for the back. But it says, I don't know if you can see that. It says low voltage buzzer for 2S, 3S, 4S lipos, and then a bunch more crap. Anyway, we'll get to that later. The actual battery. Voila! Sweet! Oh, this thing is actually protected on the inside. Okay. I like it. Nice. Alright, put that aside. Ooh, it's pretty heavy. What the heck? I thought lipos were supposed to be light compared to my... Oh, it's nothing compared to the nickel metal. Alright, so let me just do this real quick. Oh, there you go. Ooh, nice. Ooh. I got these where you can just put any connector you want on it. But also, up here, here's my slash. I ordered from eBay one of these. Even awesomer. Look, they're the same. Sweet. That's awesome. The plug is different though. Yeah, the plug is different. Crap. Actually, no, it's the same. It's the same. My bad on my phone. Oh, it's just Facebook. So yeah, this is tight. Alright, let's get to the battery. Roar approved. Oh, it looks so fresh. Nano-tech, 5,300 milliamp, 30 to 60 C discharge. Awesome. There's a model number. Oh man, this is hard to read. Turnigy power system. Roar approved. Let's see what's on the back. Made in China, clearly right there. So maximum charge 5C. I believe that's above like 20 amps charge rate. That's crazy. Sorry, I don't know the exact charge rate that I can take. But it says always charge and store on a concrete surface where there are no flammable objects within 10 feet of the charging area. What? Never charge above the max charge rate. Okay, that's obvious. Okay. Alright. So let's see if this one fits to my... Oh, come on. Alright. Wait. So, plus. Red should be plus. Yes. Red is plus. Awesome. This is just amazing. Come on. Come on. Let me get this one first. Bam. Perfect. Why is it this one going in? That was kind of... whatever, it works. Alright, now let's see if this thing will work. Now, the plus should be... Where? What? Let's see if this works. Nope, doesn't work. What about the other way? Okay. It's showing 2 cells. And it's green. It means it's charged. Alright. So, I'll hook it up to my Onyx 235 with a balanced charger. And I'll see what it's like. See if they're equally balanced. And I will... probably upload another video of me driving my /2x4 with a Valenian system in it. I've made some previous videos, still haven't uploaded them. I don't know why, just because I was hoping to get my lipo and just put it in one, but I'll see what I'll do. And if you guys have any questions on how long this thing will last me, just any random questions, you can inbox me. You can comment on the video. You can, I don't know, contact me by phone. My phone number is 509-701-9... No, I'm just kidding. I'm not going to give you my phone number. But yeah, my area code is 509 because I live in Spokane, Washington. Yeah. And so I'm pretty satisfied with what so far is here. This thing was actually really loud, and I'm probably not going to use these. I might even sell them or just let someone have them, but I'm not too much of a friend with other people that have Traxxas cars. I know a few people, but they mostly have gas, so they don't need that. Anyway, yeah, so this thing is actually fairly light. Not really, but it's a hard pack, so it's heavier than one of those regular ones. The regular ones they're, I don't know, just, I don't think they're worth it. They probably break really fast, and from what people say. So I just got one of these. It should fit perfect. Ooh, I should just try that right now. See if it'll fit perfectly. Here, let me get up here. into my slush. My nickel metal hydride is still in here. Get that aside. I think I should clean that before trying anything, but yep, that fits just perfectly. Awesome. Yeah, I need to clean my car. Alright, well, I'll see you guys later. Talk to you guys later, whatever.